Hey, look, don't say
ass piece of shit.
Oh, that shit.
On July 28, 2024, officers with the Rincon Police Department were called to the Parker's gas station in Effingham County, Georgia, after a previous incident involving a heavily intoxicated couple at a nearby bar. The couple, later identified as April and her husband, had already been criminally trespassed from the establishment. The couple returned, still visibly intoxicated, prompting a second encounter with police and local business owners.
You're saying something right now? As long as you are respectful. Respectful? That's the First Amendment? That's her out. Like, literally, I could say, fuck you. No, I'm asking. I don't care.
Yeah, don't do that.
Please, I'm not. But I'm saying, what she's saying is fucking rude. It has nothing to do with you.
Listen to me for a second. I'm trying to help y'all real quick.
I want to. I want your help.
Try to get her under control. She's doing like right now, because she's doing a little bit too much. And I'm trying not to be too much involved and
that
stuff.
That girl's daughter is an asshole.
You listening to me?
I am.
All right, well,
but I'm trying to be on both sides.
Well, you got to be on one side right now.
Okay. I was. Let me take care of this. Okay. Yes, I'm trying. Where at? Here? Okay. April, let's go. I'm trying so hard, dude. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, we're good. Thank you. Let's go. Don't worry. Can you tell her to go away then? If I have to tell her to let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please give me my driver's license back. Do not grab shit from me. Stop. You understand me? I asked. Well, I know, but she's grabbing the
Okay.
Stop.
Please.
You keep doing that.
Stop. Look at me.
May I have mine?
Here's your driver's license. Thank you. Give me one, man. Hey, stop. Please. I know what you're grabbing.
All right, here's the deal. I know y'all are waiting on the Uber.
We've been trying to
If
wait.
you cross that threshold and you deal with anybody in there, you're going to go to jail.
We're leaving.
That's fine.
We're leaving.
That's fine.
We won't.
It's fine. You can go back there too. Bye. See you later. I'm so sick of this shit, dude. Can we just go? Stop! Stop!
I'm going to strongly advise, do not sit into that driver's seat.
I'm not driving shit.
No,
but thank you. But thank you. Nobody's driving anything. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Carl.
Hey.
I'm trying not to give you a DUI.
I'm telling you, thank you.
All right.
From me, not from anybody else.
Be safe, man.
Please.
Yeah.
All right, man.
All right, buddy. Good enough.
In a moment of heightened anger, reports show April turned toward the officers and shouted, "I hope you and your partners never need EMS, because I won't help you." She then proceeded to direct a racial slur at one of the officers.
You are disorderly.
You told me to get an Uber.
You being disorderly because you're drunk and you're public and you're drunk.
I walked.
We gave you.
Get you Uber.
Hey, look, don't say.
Nigger ass piece of shit.
Oh, that shit.
Nigger.
Say it again one more time.
But guess what?
One more time. Say it again. Say it one more time.
So
I'll make sure China me and Mess get that too. That I'm a nigger son of a bitch. Get your ass in the car. Public drunk. She going to jail. Since I'm a nigger son of a bitch. $15. I got one $10.95.
T15, what's your location?
09 Central Ware Parkers. The signal 2's from Riley's hand walking and wanted to say racial slurs at 215.
10-14, I got it.
You got her ID? No. Bye. Walk. You done pissed. You want to ride? I'm pissed the fuck off. I don't give a fuck. Say stop one more time and say something else. You're going to. Cool. I got my body camera on too.
96-2.
I don't think there's a double lock. They keep locking down on me. Is this camera rolling? Cause yeah. I just can't not sit against them. I just can't sit against them.
Alright, sit up and we'll double lock them so they're better make sure they're double locked so that way they don't crack down here. Huh?
They're not double.
Okay, so sit up so I can fix it.
They should have been fixed before I got in here. Well, that's okay. There you go. Just help me sit forward. I can't sit forward. Oh. Thank you. That's all I'm asking. I just. Okay. That's all I was asking. Because every time I scooch, it hurts. Are you going to put the seatbelt back on me? And cinch it up, please, so I'm safe.
Out to the jail, one female, 40862, 40862.
I got him right here at Lexington. Just pass forward. I got him right here at Lexington. Just pass forward.
I thought a bro nigga said some talking shit, but they still ain't saying that. Gonna trap that bitch out till the feds come. Run it up. I get it. I want it. I own it.
Hey, this one ain't on me. This one ain't on me. Her and her husband drunk at the bar. We tell them to walk home, and because they gotta walk home, I'm a nigga motherfucker.
Oh, I heard.
Get her ass out of my damn car.
Not today, Satan.
Fuck wrong with that lady? I'm trying. I'm sorry.
It ain't got nothing to do with her. She's more nigga than you ever will be. You don't worry about that.
Thanks.
I'll fuck her up.
Fuck wrong with that lady? I'm trying.
Get out. Get your shoes. Bitch, you ain't getting your shoes. Turn around, get your shoes. You. Get back in there and put your shoes on.
I can't.
You won't play it with here. Get in there and put your fucking shoes on.
Is this on camera?
Yes,
Sure
go.
is. Please grab my shoes. I can't
Bitch,
grab them.
nobody's grabbing your shoes.
Step
Get
up
your
in the
shoes.
truck. Use your feet. Step up in the truck.
Got me fucked up all the way around.
I said step up in there.
Go
I
ahead and
can't
hit me with
get
that one.
them.
I'm gonna knock you the fuck out. Yes, get your shoes
Honey,
now.
I do EMS and laundry.
Good.
I don't give a shit because you're gonna need EMS to
Go.
go get your fucking shoes. Because I can't.
Yes,
Look at me.
yeah.
Look at me. Step your ass right there. Put your foot there. Step up in that damn car and get your
She's not
shoes.
gonna like her time here.
I cannot grab my shoes.
That's in the...
Step your ass up in. Look at it. Oh, damn. What do you want me to grab them with?
No,
Your
put your
fucking
foot
foot.
in there.
Fucking foot? Yeah, put your foot in the shoe.
Oh, baby.
Woo, baby. I'll be damned. That shit worked for you, didn't it? Come on. Now put the other shoe on. What's your name?
Let's go. Folsom, supervisor. It's on camera. Go. Go.
April was taken to jail and charged with public drunkenness, disorderly conduct, and misdemeanor obstruction of law enforcement. What do you think? Was the officer right to let things slide at first, or should he have drawn the line earlier? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video, and as always, stay safe out there.